What? Y'all gonna rob me? They said most definitely. Damn, that's crazy, bro. You never know who watching, man. It's all good, y'all. Damn, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Didn't we pass this already? Or did the current push us back?
Who the f that clip farmed me off of DDD Twitch? Got me moaning. Bitch, I was stored up. It ain't even no bathroom on that boat. We was on a contender with a center console. Ain't no boat. If you think I was on a boat. Real talk now. I'm sick of y'all playing with me and trying me. Don't ever disrespect me, please. Stop playing with me. Y'all got everybody calling my phone today, and it's Mother's Day, like I was on a boat sucking dick. Bitch, I was on a 30-something footer contender with a center console, a fishing boat that don't even contain a bathroom. Stupid motherfuckers, and one of my sons was on a boat with us. I wasn't sucking no dick. I don't suck dick. I done told y'all I don't suck dick. Kanye do and y'all do. I ain't sucking no dicks. If I was on a 150-foot yacht, you might have probably would have had heard me in there bouncing on a dick, but sucking a dick? Stop playing with me, y'all. Come on now. Let's enjoy this Mother's Day and stop playing with me. I got everybody calling me like I'm sucking dick. Come on now, y'all know I ain't sucking no dick. Bitch, I was throwing up. Bitch, I was seasick. Ain't no dick sucker. I ain't no I don't suck dick no more. PDG. Fishing with AINT. Fishing with AINT. Y'all see the crew. Nephew came with the pointers on. Nephew came with the pointers on. Yeah, pointers. They're pointers. They're pointers. No bust down. Pointers. God, not the chicken. Good morning. Happy Mother's Day to all my beautiful, hardworking mothers out there. Auntie love y'all. Don't work too hard today for these dusties. You hear me? And I mean these dusty kids, these dusty dusties. Just don't work too hard today. All right? Love y'all. Enjoy y'all day, women. Love y'all, mothers.